Laura, and I just wanted to show you the big plans by StickerGuru. First off, there is the rose-colored gold that you see on the side there. That's with the ring. Um, they are the twin rings. And they go with all these other planners that I have as well, including the Kiki K that I really love and use for most of my planning. And inside of that Kiki K 6 ring, you can see that it has the rose gold uh, rings to them. So, and all the metal is rose gold. So that passion planner, I will be getting a big passion planner, and that will be the one that I use. So inside of big plans, you can see the very first, and that's the first page of this belongs to. And then you see the 12 boxes. These could be used for the months, maybe for goals, or laying down stickers, what have you. Maybe my goal of laying down stickers every month. Anyway, then it has the monthly view, and you can see with the boxes there, they are, uh, a little bit over 1.5 inches, which is perfect. And what's nice is that within this, you also see that it has the 5 weeks. There's notes on the side there, which is perfect for me. I can start it on Monday, which is also good. And then there's 12 of those pages, or 12 of those views, which is great, uh, but they are in the front of the planner. And then you have, this is the most important thing, you have the weekly view, and it shows the columns as being 1.5, which is perfect. You have notes on the side there. It's all in dot grid, which is quite nice. And you have notes at the bottom, or whatever you want to call it. And then you can put your days up at the top. And there are 52 weeks. And from here, now there is a little slight sticking of the pages. When this is new, that's something you have to kind of, just be careful when you're flipping through the pages. And then you can see it has these dot grid. And there's 41 pages of dot grid, or 41 sheets, 41 sides, I guess. And then I did on the back, I did the uh, pen test. And the pen test, I did it with all different pens. The one that you see there that I'm pointing to, that's the Passion Planner pen or marker. And I don't really use it for writing, but I do use it for highlighting. And the highlighter, and I believe that the Sharpie permanent marker were the only two that actually ghost. And I do write a little hard on my paper, but those were the only two. Everything else seemed fine. I think that the paper is maybe a 32 pound or 32, and I don't know. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it seems very nice and it looks very nice, and I'm very happy with this planner. So I plan to use it for when I do slapping the stickers down. So if you could please give me a thumbs up, I greatly appreciate it, and hope to see you either on a Zoom or within my next video. Thank you.